What are the 7 C's of crypto? Concealed, corrupt, crooks, criminals, conmen, carnival barkers, and finally, CZ.
As you guys know, CZ, Changpeng Zhao, is the co-founder and former CEO of Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume, as of July 2022. Now he's stepping down from his position as CEO of Binance also. Binance needs to pay $4.3 billion as a fine. So, it will be a big trash for the cryptocurrency market? Is Binance going to collapse like FTX? Let's check the whole video for what will be the situation upcoming days. The chief executive of Binance, the largest global cryptocurrency exchange, stepped down and pleaded guilty to violating U.S. anti-money laundering requirements in a deal that might preserve the company's ability to continue operating, according to court documents. The announcement from Zhao and multiple regulatory agencies on Tuesday capped years-long investigations by the Department of Justice and others into anti-money laundering violations and sanctions violations. "I made mistakes, and I must take responsibility," Zhao wrote in a post to X, the platform formerly known as Twitter. "This is best for our community, for Binance, and for myself." In a press statement, Binance said it would take responsibility for not having appropriate compliance controls. When Binance first launched, it did not have compliance controls adequate for the company that it was quickly becoming, and it should have. Zhao's departure as CEO, which was first reported by Forbes, will not be a complete separation from Binance. The company's founder will remain its majority shareholder and a resource for consultation on historical areas of the business, the company said. It added that Binance executive Richard Teng would succeed Zhao as CEO, confirming Forbes' earlier reporting. As part of the settlement, Zhao appeared in federal court in Seattle on Tuesday afternoon and pleaded guilty to anti-money laundering and sanctions violations brought by the Department of Justice. Additionally, Binance settled charges with the DOJ and Commodities Futures Trading Commission, the Department of Treasury's Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, FinCEN, and the Office of Foreign Assets Control, OFAC, which will give the Treasury Department access to Binance's books and records under the terms of a 5-year monitorship. Because of the crimes committed, Binance became the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world, Merrick Garland, the U.S. Attorney General, said during a press conference on Tuesday. Now, Binance has paid one of the largest corporate penalties in U.S. history. The Treasury Department said in a statement that it had taken unprecedented action to hold Binance accountable for violations of U.S. anti-money laundering laws. It alleged that Binance had failed to prevent and report suspicious transactions with terrorists, citing both Al-Qaeda and ISIS. The settlement comes with a $3.4 billion penalty to FinCEN and $968 million to OFAC, as well as compliance requirements and monitoring for a period of 5 years. Binance turned a blind eye to its legal obligations in the pursuit of profit. Its willful failures allowed money to flow to terrorists, cybercriminals, and child abusers through its platform. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen during a press conference. The CFTC did not respond to requests for comment at the time of publication. The SEC previously charged Binance and Zhao in June with operating an unregistered exchange and misleading investors by using a Switzerland-based fund Sigma Chain, which was also owned by CZ, to inflate the trading volume on Binance's US platform. Through 13 charges, we allege that Zhao and Binance entities engaged in an extensive web of deception, conflicts of interest, lack of disclosure, and calculated evasion of the law. The case is ongoing. The SEC declined to comment. Brian Armstrong, the CEO and co-founder of Binance's US competitor Coinbase, hailed the announcement as an opportunity to start a new chapter for this industry. In a post on X, Armstrong, whose company has faced its own regulatory scrutiny from the SEC, said that he hoped the action against Binance would serve as a catalyst for regulatory clarity. As Ches leaves the CEO position, is it good for as an investor of cryptocurrency? Yes, it's good because CZ is always trying to manipulate crypto. ASCs pleads guilty on it. So after cryptocurrency is fully handed over to the USA, is good to invest in cryptocurrency. Is Binance going to collapse like FTX? The short ANS is, no, Binance holds around 2.8 billion worth of BNB tokens, according to blockchain analytics platform Nansen, and the exchange maintains 67 billion worth of assets, but that amount is now threatened by the recent reputational hit. But that's not an issue for Binance. After the FTX crash, The crypto market made a reserve system of all exchanges, after surveys from several audit platforms while maintaining a time schedule, and then they check whether all exchange reserves are good or not, and you can see that on the coin market cap. But as there are going to make a volatile market, you can divide your fund from Binance to 3-4 crypto exchange platform.